What if I told you your daily habits are secretly draining thousands of dollars from your bank account every year, and you don't even realize it? Every swipe, every splurge, every just this once, it all adds up, fast. But hey, you're not alone, and you're in the right place. I'm glad you're here because we're about to flip the script on your finances. Welcome. We're about to embark on a journey to financial well-being, and I promise it's going to be both insightful and empowering. Get ready to transform your relationship with money. Let's talk about our money. That's right. Let's get comfortable discussing finances. It's a topic that often feels taboo, but it's essential for building a secure future. How to keep more of it without feeling deprived. We're not talking about sacrificing joy or living a life of austerity. Instead, we'll explore smart strategies to maximize your savings while still enjoying the things you love. It's all about balance and making conscious choices. Ever wonder how truly frugal people manage to save so much money? What's their secret? Is it some kind of magic formula? Simple. They just never buy these 13 things. We're going to uncover the specific items and spending habits that frugal individuals consistently avoid. These are the keys to unlocking significant savings in your own life. Ready to see your spending habits in a whole new light? Prepare for some eye-opening revelations. We're about to challenge your assumptions and help you identify areas where you can easily cut back without feeling like you're missing out. Let's dive right in and get started. There's no time to waste. Let's transform your financial future, one smart choice at a time. If you're enjoying these tips, make sure to subscribe for more smart money advice. Hit that subscribe button now. Bottled water, it's everywhere, isn't it? Aisles upon aisles dedicated to this seemingly essential commodity. We're bombarded with images of pristine springs and crystal clear water, all promising a superior hydration experience. But let's take a moment to really consider what we're buying. Why pay a premium for something you can readily get at home, often at a fraction of the cost? Think about it. That water flowing from your kitchen tap has already undergone rigorous testing and treatment to ensure its safety and potability. And the best part? It's essentially free. You're already paying for water service, so why shell out extra for something that's readily available and perfectly safe to drink? Frugal folks invest in a sturdy, reliable water bottle. It's a one-time purchase that pays dividends in the long run. A refillable bottle becomes your constant companion, a symbol of your commitment to both your wallet and the environment. And with easy access to taps and water fountains, filling up is a breeze, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got even more coming your way. It saves a significant amount of money over time, money that can be used for other, more meaningful things. And it drastically helps the planet by reducing plastic waste and the energy required to produce and transport bottled water. Next time you automatically reach for a plastic bottle out of habit, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, is this convenience really worth the cost, both financially and environmentally? Most of the time, the answer is right there, waiting for you. Your tap has the answer, offering a sustainable, affordable, and readily available alternative. Make the conscious choice. Under your sink, all those brand name cleaners? Mostly marketing. Frugal people use basics. Vinegar, baking soda, store brands. They skip the fancy labels and save big. Check the ingredients and price per ounce. Clean doesn't have to cost a fortune. New phone every year? Not for the frugal. If your device works, keep it, protect it, use it, and upgrade only when necessary. The real upgrade is money in your savings. Kitchen drawers full of gadgets for one job? Frugal folks stick to multitaskers. A good knife replaces a dozen unitaskers. Simplify, save space, and keep your money. Pre-cut produce is just convenience with a hefty price tag. Buy whole, chop at home, and save a bundle. It takes minutes and adds up to big savings. Don't pay the lazy tax. Salon visits add up fast. Frugal people learn simple trims at home, use box dye, or visit cosmetology schools for discounts, or they embrace their natural look. Great hair doesn't have to break the bank. Fast fashion is a money pit. Frugal folks build wardrobes with timeless quality pieces. Jeans, shirts, coats that last. Thrift stores and mixing what you own keep things fresh. True style is personal, not trendy. At checkout, skip the extended warranty. Most are full of loopholes and rarely pay off. Save that money for your own repair fund instead. You don't need a pricey gym to get fit. Free YouTube workouts, walks, and bodyweight exercises work wonders. Fitness is about consistency, not contracts. Cable bills are sky high for channels you don't watch. Frugal people cut the cord, use streaming or free services, and borrow from the library. Save that cash for what matters. Designer bags are status symbols with huge price tags. Frugal folks choose quality, affordable bags and invest the rest. True confidence isn't in a label, it's in your financial freedom. Daily coffee shop runs add up, fast. Make your favorite drinks at home for a fraction of the cost. Invest in good beans and a milk frother. Enjoy your treat and watch your savings grow. Constantly redecorating for trends drains your wallet. Frugal homes focus on timeless pieces and personal touches. Creativity, not consumerism, makes a house a home. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to cutting unnecessary expenses and making smarter financial decisions. We've explored a variety of areas where you might be unknowingly overspending, from those daily coffee runs to subscription services you barely use. These are 13 key things to stop buying or at least significantly reduce if you're serious about boosting your savings. It's about consciously evaluating your needs versus your wants. By making these adjustments, you'll be well on your way to achieving real, tangible savings. Imagine what you could do with that extra money. Invest it, pay off debt, or save for a dream vacation. The possibilities are endless when you take control of your spending habits. Remember, frugal living isn't about depriving yourself of joy or living a miserable existence. It's about making smart, informed choices that align with your financial goals and values. It's about prioritizing experiences and things that truly matter to you. Don't underestimate the power of small changes. Every small change, every conscious decision to save adds up over time. It's like compound interest. The more you save, the faster your savings grow. So which tip surprised you the most? Was it the one about cutting back on takeout, or maybe reconsidering that gym membership you never use? I'm really curious to hear your thoughts and experiences. Let me know in the comments below. Share your own money-saving tips, or tell me about a time you successfully cut back on unnecessary spending. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps me create more content like this. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on all my latest videos. Remember, being smart with your money isn't about being cheap or stingy. It's about making conscious choices that allow you to achieve your financial goals. It's about creating a life you love, filled with experiences and things that truly bring you joy, without breaking the bank. Be smart with your money and live your best life, a life of abundance and fulfillment.